Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to ask a buyer to cancel the order on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to ask a buyer to cancel the order on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to ask buyer to cancel the order on Fiverr mobile app. So today I am going to show you how to ask buyer to cancel the order on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Here is the interface of a seller. If you are a buyer, you will not see this interface. Now you are seeing different buttons at the bottom of screen. Click on paper type icon right after inbox. Now click on the order you want to cancel. Now click on three dots at the top right corner. Now click on resolution center. Here you are seeing three options. Click on ask the buyer to cancel the order. Select the reason why you want to cancel the order and then click on continue and confirm. The buyer will accept it, otherwise it will automatically be cancelled in next 3 days. There you go. If you wanted to know how to ask buyer to cancel the order on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.